As cryptographic money reception takes off, different environments keep on jumping up. The area as of now has prospering sub-areas like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the metaverse. Presently, we have moved to acquire M2E, which has been promoted by Stepn. This guide investigates the capability of the Solana-based way of life application, use cases, and the Stepn. GMT, cost expectation, Stepn, GMT, value expectation. Stepn coin delighted and thrilling additions when it originally sent off and climbed as far as possible, from its rundown cost of 16 cents to more than $4, making gains of 2,400%. Nonetheless, a progression of protests about the actual application, the more extensive crypto bear market, and the sensational fall of Solana has seen GMT drop over 90%. From its unsurpassed high in May to an ongoing cost of just 36 cents. The following are a couple of Stepn, GMT, cost expectations for 2022, 2023, and 2025. End of 2022 ought to the more extensive crypto market further develop, then Stepn could get back to $1. End of 2023 the shoe leasing highlight is sent off, subsequently inciting more client commitment with the M2E project. This inescapable reception could see Stepn token twofold its market valuation to $5. End of 2025 the Stepn project dispatches its long-distance race include, which permits more cultivated athletic clients to acquire tokens from running longer distances. This component would additionally help the value stake of GMT toward the north of $10. Stepn, GMT, value history. Stepn formally sent off in spring however surprised the market in April and May, arriving at a record-breaking high above $4. Its value history and action are fundamentally low, contrasted with additional laid-out computerized resources like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And it has an ongoing business sector valuation of just $200 million, contrasted with a pinnacle market cap of $2.3 billion in April. Breaking into the spotlight at a value stake of 15 cents, the green metaverse token, GMT, shot to an incredible worth of $3 on April 1, 2022, mirroring a value gain of 2,000% in a month. The Stepn coin didn't dial back from its meetings however. At that point, a slight dunk in the crypto market made it shed around 20% of its benefit as the GMT resource followed its worth to $2.1 on April 4. Meanwhile, this plunge was brief as the Stepn token found its running feet once more. The computerized resource recuperated lost ground and hit a charming figure of $3.3 14 days after the fact. GMT proceeded with its cost gain as it flooded further to $3.7 at the last part of the month. Thereafter, Stepn coin exchanged sideways inside the scope of $2.5 to $3.3. The computerized resource later got through this cost labyrinth, hitting an untouched high of $4.1 on April 28. The token then had a significant dump toward the beginning of May, imploding underneath $1 before a little recuperation to $1.5. Its descending pattern has gone on all through the remainder of 2022 notwithstanding, and has kept on losing key help. GMT has not been above $1 since early August, and dipped under 50 cents toward the beginning of November, following the breakdown of FTX. As of mid-November 2022, GMT is exchanging at 36 cents. The more extensive battles of the crypto market have enormously impacted the cost of GMT, with macroeconomics, the Russo-Ukrainian conflict and energy emergency, expansion and rate climbs generally influencing the cost of cryptos and different resources. The breakdown of FTX and the super negative feeling around Solana, whereupon Stepn is constructed, is additionally harming the undertaking. Nonetheless, the Stepn people group has likewise lost clients in light of its frail tokenomics and absence of remunerations in the transition to acquire environment. Just 10% of the GMT supply is available for use, with one more 5.4 billion tokens to be delivered sooner or later, while players have grumbled that procure, truth be told, very little rewards, except if they purchase the most recent advanced NFT shoes, which go about as supporters. A few players have blamed the organization for insatiability, with many abandoning the biological system. The wellness business merits an incredible $100 billion, and Stepn has gigantic potential with its transition to procure model. While Web2 stages like YouTube just permit clients to consume and make wellness content without giving a way to them to procure from it, Stepn fixes this illness. as it appropriately boosts clients to participate in a better way of life. Stepn likewise puts a completely unique twist on the environment, as its NFT shoes permit clients to procure when they walk, run, and run. Stepn, GMT. Value Forecast 2023. The monetary business sectors are known to slow down during the happy period, and this is a destiny the crypto space has been exposed to too. Considering this, our Stepn, GMT, value expectation could see the computerized resource actually exchanging underneath the $1 cost range in mid-2023 as the market resets. Yet again, notwithstanding, the computerized token could hurry up, given the fundamental capability of M2E and Stepn's place as one of the precursors of that innovation. One more element of the Stepn drive is its personal part. Common sense practicing discharges dopamine, which prompts more bliss and fulfillment. One more added lift to this is the medical advantage of keeping a fit body and the drawn-out natural effect of eliminating environment issues. Stepn is based on the Solana blockchain, which is promoted to be one of the most energy-effective conventions in the crypto space. This implies that clients have confidence that their crypto acquiring exercises don't add to the worldwide environment challenge. Solana is presently getting through a hot time after the Solana establishment was a significant financial backer in FTX and have a large number of dollars worth of crypto in the trade. It is not yet clear if the blockchain convention will recuperate. However, Stepn's recuperation will be firmly connected. Besides, Stepn has taken its environmental change drive much further and has cooperated with Nori, a perfect energy organization, to add to month-to-month carbon expulsion installments worth up to $100,000. This is important for a more extensive drive to work with less fossil fuel byproduct through the Nori Commercial Center. Should Stepn additionally pay attention to its local area and further develop the prizes plot for its application, more clients will get back to the environment. We project a sluggish recuperation that could head towards $5 toward the finish of 2023, in the best case, with the following Bitcoin splitting approaching and bullish feeling getting back to the crypto market. In any case, with tokens beginning to be opened, a large number of new GMT tokens arriving at the market will probably influence cost. Stepn, GMT. Value Conjecture Long Haul Standpoint 2025 Forecast. The drawn-out viewpoint for Stepn is incredible. Would it be a good idea for it fix a few existing issues, for example, the prizes plotted offers, as well as a more extensive market recuperation? Given its social and gamified components and name acknowledgement as one of the pioneers in the M2E world, Stepn could be the head M2E project in the years to come. Two main considerations ought to be acknowledged with a sober mind, be that as it may, by expected financial backers. The first is that there are other M2E projects now available,